Today's small job is to patch the walls. A customer installed a heating unit and I had to run the pipes, I guess. And so we're going to sheetrock it, patch it, and paint the entryway. I have made the patches, taped them, floated them, just applied the texture, and next we're going to paint the entire living room. All right, we are done. We patched the openings that they had made to install that air conditioner. We taped them, we floated them, we primed them, we painted the area in addition to the entire living room, and some additional patches throughout the house. This job's done. My customer's happy, my customer's happy, I'm happy. On to the next small job.